Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to view Google Maps using pedestrian routes and cycling routes. So here you click on Google Maps, you click on where you're going from and where you're going to. You click on either walking distance, and then you preview. Here you see where to walk to. Pedestrian routes are normally different from the cycling routes because the cycling routes shows you a very faster way or a very fast way to get to the location, and not all roads using pedestrian routes can be used using a cycling route. So you click on preview and then you see how to travel using your cycle or your bike. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.